Yeah.
Alright, how you guys doing? Is Pardew here from Making It Happen Now?
Peter Monsma, how are you doing?
It's day 4 of our tour around Holland and Belgium, and we're ready again. We're here in a different town called Utrecht.
No, it's Nieuegien, pa.
Is it Nieuegien?
Nieuegien.
Nieuegien. You gotta say the hein. Now, we wish you were here, but guess what? You haven't missed out. You can come back here again. In a moment, we're gonna show you what's gonna be happening. Peter.
My friends over there, yeah, you will have just few quick look at what will happen in Nieuegien. This is the workshop of Making It Happen Now. Outside are the people waiting for the workshop. And the door is almost opening. And we have to start. Yes?
Right now. See you soon. Watch the people come in. Have fun. We're checking out. Pardew.
Peter Monsma.
Let's go. Let the doors open.
Hou de deur open.
Let's go.
Even kruisje.
Hi, Pardew. Nice to meet you.
Hey, hallo. Peter Monsma. Zorg dat je vooraan zit. Hallo. Hey man. Zorg dat je vooraan zit, man. Ja, hi. Goedemorgen. En prettig avond. En zorg dat je vooraan zit. Hey. Peter Monsma. Hi. Peter. Hey, heel gezien. Ben je helemaal blij wel? Ben je niet echt niet? Zorg dat je vooraan zit.
Ja.
Goedenavond. Peter Monsma. Hey man. Ja, Peter Monsma. Prettig avond. Succes. Hey. Zo, Peter. Zo. Hey. Peter. Ja. Oh, hi.